Hello viewers, welcome to Needle Online. Today we are going to see 5 designs in designer, regular and fancy dress materials. Price ranging from 649 to 1999. All these products will be available in our website needle.com. From 1 p.m. today, you can place your order directly from our website and we do free shipping all over India. Orders placed today will be shipped on 13th January and tracking details will be shared to your mail in SMS on 14th January. Please order accordingly. Viewers, kindly note there will be a slight variation in the color due to the lighting we use for the videography. Hence, we request you to consider the picture posted in our website for reference. Let us see the first design. The fabric is silk cotton fabric in pure white color with beautiful work on the yoke line. You can just take a closer view of the work. We have cut bead work, stone work and French knot work highlighting the set. Let us see how the complete set looks. The fabric is silk cotton. It's white with peachish pink combination. The fabric is silk cotton fabric. It's a thin fabric, so lining is needed. The simple and neat work done on the yoke. We have contrast piping in the daman. Lining is needed. We have peachish pink silk cotton bottom for this and a beautiful organza dupatta, a lightweight fabric with beautiful embroidery all over. The floral embroidery looks very attractive. Tapings are provided on all 4 sides. We have 2 colors in this. The base color white remains the same, only the floral embroidery color and the bottom color will vary. The cost of the set is 1349. The next color, same design, same color, only the color of the thread will vary. Here we have reddish maroon color. It is teamed with reddish maroon silk cotton bottom and organza dupatta with embroidery work all over. These sets are priced at 1349. So 2 colors in this. You can buy these products directly from our website from 1 p.m. today. Let us see the next design. It's a cotton dress material. All these are chikankari work done all over the top with simple fancy buttons in the yoke. It's light blue. The complete set is cotton. We have rich embroidery work done on the front side. So we have a panel pattern here and embroidery work on either side. And this is for sleeve detailing with cut work. It is plain at the back. The fabric is thin, lining is needed. We have simple piping in the daman. We have half white khadi cotton bottom. The lower part of the bottom has block prints. It has block prints and stitch work done in the lower part of the bottom in khadi cotton fabric. It is teamed with pure kota cotton dupatta, which is also block printed. A very elegant set, apt for office wear. So this is how the dupatta looks and tapings are provided on all 4 sides. We have 4 different colors in this. The cost of the set is 1349. Quickly take a look at the other colors. So this is the next shade in light orange shade with chikankari work done on the front side. Block printed khadi cotton bottom and kota cotton dupatta in light orange. There might be color variation in the video, so please refer the picture posted in the website. Description is given in detail for each and every product. So this is the next color. It's kind of light greenish yellow. Bottom is also block printed with stitch detailing. This comes in the lower part of the bottom. and Kota cotton dupatta, which also has block prints. A beautiful color combination. Next we have in peach. It's dark peach shade, and this is the bottom and dupatta. Next we are going to see an exclusive designer set. The fabric is premium Chanderi silk cotton, a fine quality fabric in mauve color. It's kind of light purple shade with antique sequence work. It's sober. This design is going to be in all sober shades. It's not bright. So it has an antique sequence given in the yoke, and also has thin zari lines all over the top. The fabric is soft and lightweight. Lining is needed. It has a lengthy yoke with antique sequence work. A simple and elegant set. We have in the daman, we have simple golden piping. This vertical lines we have in the front as well as at the back. Lining is needed. We have matching santoon bottom in the same color, and a beautiful dupatta. It's a dual shaded fancy silk cotton dupatta with antique zari woven work done all over. A very sober shade of beige with mauve purplish color. We have heavy zari work in the lower ends of the dupatta, as you can see here. It's a party wear set. We have limited stocks in this. It's a full length dupatta. The cost of the set is 1,999. We have 3 colors in this, all in attractive sober shades. Next we have one kind of grayish green color with lengthy sequence yoke, matching santoon bottom, and a beautiful dupatta. It's a rich dupatta with rich pallu. So this is the dupatta for this. The cost of the set is 1,999. Next color we have in peach, the same design. This is the bottom and this is the dupatta for this. Same dual shaded with heavy zari pallu. Next design is one of our hit design. The fabric is silk cotton fabric in light beige color with all over embroidery and stonework with simple yoke and fancy buttons. The fabric is silk cotton. So we have heavy thread work done on the front side. It is plain at the back. Lining is needed. In the daman we have a simple golden piping. We have dark maroon silk cotton bottom and fancy silk cotton dupatta, which is crinkled dupatta and also has bandhani prints. It is kind of multicolor shaded. We have different colors in this. It's a kind of shaded dupatta with fancy tassels. It's a crinkled dupatta. The cost of the set is 1,399. We have 4 different colors. The top remains the same. Only the bottom and the dupatta will vary. The next shade is with navy blue bottom. We have navy blue silk cotton and dupatta in multicolor. So this is the dupatta for this. Next we have a dark brown bottom. So this is the bottom in silk cotton and dupatta. So these are the colors that comes in the dupatta. Next we have with green bottom. It's mossy green. We have different shades of green in the dupatta, light green, dark green and beige color. The cost of the set is 1,399. Next we are going to see fancy dress material in silk cotton fabric. It's in dark mossy color. It's kind of shaded effect in the fabric, and this is the yoke part with embroidery and 4 stone work. It's mossy green with black combination. The fabric is silk cotton, lining is needed. Contrast piping in the daman. Black cotton bottom for this. And fancy silk cotton dupatta with embroidery work. We have leafy embroidery patterns. And tapings has to be done for the edges. The cost of the set is $649, free shipping. We have 4 colors in this. Same design, it's blue with black again. So black bottom is common for all the colors, and this is a dupatta in fancy silk cotton, and tapings has to be done for the edges. Next color is dark pink with black. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Every day we post new collections. The next color is brick red. And all these sets are priced at $649, free shipping. Hope you like our today's collection. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day and stay safe.